All right, how many times this summer have you been enjoying time outdoors and thought to yourself, man, it's hot in here. Wish I had a fan. But unless you have one of those little handhelds handy in your back pocket, outdoor fans aren't that easily accessible or portable. Well, this weekend's new Tolude 2 will give you that breeze with ease. The Canopy Breeze Canopy Fan is a rechargeable ceiling fan that is designed to quickly install in almost any portable outdoor canopies. The fan literally comes in a portable, durable plastic box that snaps shut, and when you put it together, it secures to the top of your canopy or your tent or your man cave or she shed, wherever, via 4 folding hooks into the top of the fan. And the fan blades snap into the motor assembly, and off you go. To power this bad boy, you use the included remote control to turn on or off, as well as adjust its high and low speeds. When finished, you simply remove the blades, fold down the hooks, and pack your fan neatly into its cape. The Canopy Breeze Canopy Fan is perfect for any event that requires an outdoor canopy. Tailgating, youth sports, craft fairs, festivals, camping, ticket booths, cookouts, home projects. So recharge your summer to enjoy it with the rechargeable Canopy Breeze Canopy Fan, which retails at $139.99, and you can find out more and see a great little video on how it works on the HouseSmarts YouTube channel. And be sure to click the subscribe button while you're there.